Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. JAMB says over 1.5 million candidates scored below 200. NPFL bans Lobi Stars media director. EFCC reveals condition for VDM's release. And now full details of the news. The Federal Executive Council has approved a Nigeria First economic policy targeted at prioritizing the use of locally manufactured goods and services in all government procurements. Nigeria's Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, said this on Monday after the FEC meeting in Abuja. Mohammed said the policy would soon be backed by an executive order. According to him, the policy aligns with President Tinubu's objective of driving industrialization, insulating the economy from global disruptions, and boosting local production in the country. The Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board has released a statistical breakdown of the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, revealing that over 1.5 million of the 1.95 million candidates scored below 200 over 400. In a post on its official X on Monday, JAMB highlighted that a total of 1,955,069 candidates sat for the examination, and of this number, a significant 1,534,654 candidates, representing 78.5%, scored below the 200 mark. A breakdown of the results shows that only 4,756 candidates achieved scores of 320 and above, while 7,658 candidates scored between 300 and 319. In total, just 12,414 candidates scored 300 and above. The Nigerian Meteorological Agency has predicted haziness and thunderstorms from Tuesday to Thursday across the country. NiMet's weather outlook, released on Monday in Abuja, envisaged slight dust hazy over parts of Katsina and Kano states during the forecast period on Tuesday. It anticipated thunderstorms over parts of Taraba and Adamawa states during the afternoon and evening hours. NiMet predicted cloudy skies on Wednesday with spells of sunshine over the northern states throughout the forecast period. It anticipated thunderstorms over parts of Taraba and Adamawa states during the afternoon or evening hours. And on the international scene, the UN's top court has dismissed Sudan's case against the UAE, accusing the Gulf states of complicity in genocide. Sudan alleged the UAE supported the paramilitary Rapid Support Force in the Sudanese civil war, in which tens of thousands of people have died, forced millions from their homes, and left many facing famine. The UAE categorically denied the accusation, branding the case political theater and a cynical publicity stunt. The International Court of Justice ruled that the case could not proceed because the UAE had opted out Article 9 of the Genocide Convention, which means that it cannot be sued by other states over genocide allegations. And now we dive into the world of sports. The Nigerian Premier Football League (NPFL) has banned Lobi Stars media director Emmanuel Uja from all its activities. Uja was charged for breaching the NPFL framework and rules following his unguarded statements. According to reports, the media director granted an interview where he accused Lobi Stars players of match fixing. The NPFL have also directed him to tender a written apology and retract the match fixing allegations. Up next is the entertainment news. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) has confirmed that popular social media activist Martins Ose, widely known as Very Dark Man, will be released once he met his bail conditions. According to EFCC spokesperson Dele Oyewale, VDM's arrest followed multiple petitions submitted by various individuals alleging misconduct. VDM's arrest carried out in Abuja by EFCC operative has triggered a strong backlash online, with many accusing the Commission of engaging in a crackdown on dissent. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on our unified handle at Procyon RTV. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.